Alright, so I'm going to shut the water off right here. I'm going to shut off the water to everything. I'm going to disconnect this hose, that's just temporary hose anyways. Okay, so what we're doing in this video is we are going to hook up my barn water and also throw a couple extra spigots up. And we're going to clean up any of this wire that's just laying around here. It doesn't look safe. It doesn't look safe. I don't know what any of this stuff is, so yeah, we're just gonna... Alright. Go ahead and loosen this up. First things first, I'm going to cut this off and discard this. Broke. Put in the adapter like so, goes out. T, 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 boom, boom. Boom. Alright, so first things first, let's cut this off. So we're going to reuse this. I don't really want to, but we are. We don't have a lot of room to work with down here. So we're going to use rain or shine. This is if it's wet, as it is. I'm not going to sit here and wait for this to dry. It's just going to take too long, so we're just going to use this kind instead of the hot shot. Hot shot works great, but it's better to use on like sprinklers or something that's dry before, not like a repair, but more like an initial installation. When we lived in Las Vegas and I did all the plumbing there, I used this stuff because everything was always dry, and it didn't take long for stuff to dry, PVC wise. Don't get the stuff in your cuts, man. It burns. That's better. I ended up losing some footage here, so I just cut to the end. I've done PVC for a very long time, and I kind of just winged all this stuff. So right here, these two are going to be for future use. One of them is going to be for the pigs, and the other one's going to be for hose bibs. And then this right here is we're turning it on. That's what goes up to the barn. So we're gonna wait a couple hours here and let all this dry. I just finished it up, and we don't want to turn water on too soon, not for real plumbing. So once we get that dried, we'll turn it on, check for leaks, and then go up and check the barn. All right, it's been about an hour. Let's turn this on and see if we get any leaks. Alright, that's good. Pump's pumping. Water's on in the house. That's why that's going. Just kicked on, you saw it kick on. Alright. Alright, so we did it. We got water up here at the barn finally. No more trips down to the pond or using rainwater or bringing buckets of water up from the shop. That stuff sucks. Now, we will have to worry about it when it freezes in the winter. This is a frost-free hydrant, so it will drain the water. We don't have to worry about the lines freezing. We just have to worry about the hose freezing. So we'll have to either take it in, take it out, keep it warm, something along those lines. We'll figure that out. But so happy that we got water. So it's the best thing ever. Fuck.